If you don't know what tardigrades are, these little microscopic animals that pop culture has elevated to near invincible status, and rightfully so, because here's a list of things that they've survived. Exposure to the vacuum of space for 12 days, near absolute zero, being cooked at 150 degrees Celsius, that's 300 Fahrenheit, 400 times atmospheric pressure, being shot at a planet at nearly 2,000 miles per hour and then impacting a surface. 1,000 times the radiation required to take out a person. So just hearing that list, it would make you think that it's dang near impossible to get rid of these things. But interestingly, scientists have figured out that their DNA gets damaged the same way that ours does. They just have some special proteins that can help to protect and repair their DNA. And this DNA protection protein is what really interested scientists. They have a protein called DSUP. It stands for damage suppressor protein. And what this protein does, it just kind of sticks to their DNA and it prevents the DNA from being broken. So by holding the DNA together, what this protein does is that when radiation comes and breaks the DNA, it prevents it from breaking. Some scientists saw this and thought, hey, let's do something with this. If you're being treated with radiation for cancer treatment, one of the big issues is damage to non-target areas. So scientists did some experiments to see if they could get healthy cells to make this protein and would it protect the cells from radiation damage? And the answer is yes. One of the big issues with radiation is that it can damage the healthy tissue around the tumor. So what if there was a way to protect those cells? By taking the mRNA sequence coding for the tardigrade DNA protection protein and putting it inside of a nanoparticle, and then taking those nanoparticles and injecting it into cells, you could get the cells to express this protein. And so when they tested the cells for resistance to DNA damage, they saw that the markers for DNA damage went down. And as another proof of concept, they also took mouse models that were models for oral or colorectal cancer and gave them these same treatments and got the healthy cells to produce these DNA protecting proteins. And when they delivered the high dose radiation, they found that the healthy cells survived. They survived more than the cells without the DNA protecting protein. Studies like this open up a lot of possibilities for cancer treatment, but not only that, also things like long-term space travel or working in a nuclear contaminated area. To me, this just makes tardigrades that much cooler. I hope you found this video interesting. My name's Dr. Craig. This is Mad Bioengineering.